Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we have a doozy of an experiment for you today. Now, we've used House of Color candy concentrates with Plasti Dip before and gotten some awesome results. We've sprayed the candy over pearls, we've sprayed it over flakes. Today we're going to try it over a completely new material that we never tried before. I'm super excited to see how it turns out. Enjoy the video. Now let me show you the material that we're working with. This right here is Silver Super Flake from my buddy Tommy over at alphapigments.com. This is not a pearl, it's not a microflake. This stuff is wild. You see how thick and big this bag is? This is a 5-gram bag. You would not believe how fluffy this stuff is. Actually, let me show you. Bear with me for a sec, watch this. And by the way, this stuff gets everywhere. It's so lightweight, it floats up in the air like crazy. Look at this. This is, oh, you can see it floating everywhere. This is 5 grams. It is incredibly metallic. It's almost like a powdered chrome or something. So the car we're working on today is Brad's RS7. It's already got an aluminum base on it right now. Aluminum provides the fastest coverage when we're putting a silver metallic on top of it. Now, normally we spray Brad's car in pink in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month every year. However, his car was in the shop for the majority of October, so we're still gonna keep the tradition alive and spray it pink even though it's November. Pink, meaning we're gonna be using a brand new House of Color candy concentrate that we've never shown you, the pink version. So pink candy concentrate over Silver Super Flake. It should look crazy. Let's jump right in. So we've finished up with the Silver Super Flake base, and this stuff is wild. It's different than anything else that we've sprayed before. I can't believe how big the particle sizes are. It's like little pieces of aluminum foil everywhere, and it is extremely metallic and extremely reflective. I have no idea what the candy's gonna look like once it goes on top, but there's only one way to find out. Let's mix it up. All right, guys, we are all done with today's project. We've got the silver super flake down with that house of color candy on top, and I will tell you right now, you are either going to hate the way this car looks or you're going to love it. It is one of the most unique finishes that we've ever done on this channel. The particle size of that super flake is so large, it makes the car look totally textured, even though it's not. So it's like a pink textured metallic finish. And you're either gonna go, that is freaking awesome, I've never seen anything like it, or you're gonna be like, no, that is not for me at all. Either way, when we go outside, check out the car, leave a comment below. I wanna know what you think when you see the car. If you wanna dip your own car, click right up here. We have tons of colors and kits to choose from. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing as well. Let's go check out the car. Thank you again to Tommy from Alpha Pigments for providing the Super Flake. He has a ton of cool stuff on his website. Go ahead and check him out as well. I'll see you guys on the next video. That seems to be the best base for a silver metallic pearl because it covers so quickly. After we get this crazy super shift down, super shift, it's not super shift, even though it's November. And we're gonna be using a brand new House of Color candy that we've never shown you, the pink color, which should be pretty awesome. So House of Candy, pink concentrate on top of super shift silver something fucking, I don't care.